Here we are with another Grand Theft Auto video. This one I'm going to be showing you my pretty sick car. Well, I just started the game, so I can't get my cars completely tricked out. But this is how good I could get my cars to be. Pretty cool, the money rims. Yeah, thanks. That guy just did a nice car to me. Well, sorry about my camera. I don't know if, it's pretty good graphics on the camera. But yeah, so, I haven't completely finished the campaign yet. I just got it 4 days ago. See, there's still areas that are covered up because I didn't complete it yet. You unlock the whole map after you complete it, but, yeah, so I don't have very much of it done. Which I did not check out my new Franklin's new house, but I could do that right now. And I'm not a very good driver, like, I can get myself around, but I'm not, like, the best driver ever. I'm trying to go slow because I don't really want to ruin my car very much. But if I do, too bad. I got a message from my aunt. Let's see. Okay, if hey, look, my car's better than yours.
This is the Center for the Arts and Feminine Sexual Energy and Feminine Sexual Art on Forum Drive. Leave us a message or stop by.
No, thanks, I'm good. Well, here's Franklin's new house up here. Ooh, look, he got all my cars and everything here already. I feel like I can put all of them in there. I have a pretty good house, I guess.
I gotta train your ass to use the John chop. That's a big ass pile of shit.
Where? Come on, Chop. You need to learn how to control yourself. Look it. Chop took a big crap on the ground. And that is Chop right here. He's just sitting there like he didn't do anything wrong. Well, what the heck's with his feet?
Come on, Chop. Let's go. Chop, man, pay attention.
Hit the ball. You want the ball?
Bring you back, boy. All right, man, you cool.
You want the ball, Chop? Who get the ball?
Get it. Come on.
Wow.
That's trio, homie. Don't beat yourself up, Chop. I got another ball. You get away from me, little homie.
It's already your freaking face.
Get the ball for me, boy. You hood, Chop. Get out of here, Chop. Back on.
Shut up. Nobody cares, Chop. Let's see what my house looks like. Pretty good house, so yep, stay tuned.